Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Zendesk ticket notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Zendesk ticket notifications, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel, which can be found on the sidebar. In the admin panel, locate the business rules section. Click on triggers to view the list of existing triggers. Identify the trigger that sends the ticket notifications you want to disable. Once you find the trigger, click on its name to edit it. In the trigger settings, look for the condition that specifies when notifications are sent. You can either delete the trigger entirely or modify its conditions. To delete the trigger, click on the Delete button at the bottom of the page. If modifying, adjust the conditions to prevent notifications from being sent. After making your changes, be sure to save the trigger by clicking on the Save button. Next, navigate to the email section in the admin panel. Here, you can customize email notifications for agents and end users. Adjust settings as needed to further control email notifications. If you're looking to disable notifications for specific users, go to People in the admin panel. Locate the user you wish to modify and click on their name. In their profile, look for the Notifications section. Uncheck the options to disable ticket notifications for that specific user. Finally, review all your changes to ensure ticket notifications are configured to your preference. You have now successfully disabled Zendesk ticket notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.